Welcome to our on-demand training for the Environmental Screening Tool, or EST. This training is provided by the Florida Department of Transportation, Office of Environmental Management. The GIS Analysis Report page provides the opportunity to view analysis results for analysis areas and individual features such as road segments or bus stations of the analysis areas. Cache PDF reports of analysis results are available and are organized by topic. Click on the link to open and view the PDF. Run custom reports by selecting a topic. For this demonstration, we'll use wetlands and surface waters. Select your analysis types, followed by the desired buffer distances to be included in the report. You can save your custom report by providing a name and clicking the Save button. This will allow you to run the report at a later time without having to set the same report criteria. Click the Run Report button to generate the custom report. The report displays the results for the selected analysis types and buffer distances. For applicable layers, the results will include a Maps column. Click a link to open and view the feature on the corresponding map. I hope you found the demonstration helpful. You can find more detailed videos and guidance in the EST Handbook page under Help. Additionally, page-specific information is available on the top menu bar. If you do not have access to the EST yet, you can find the videos on the OEM website, located at the address shown on the screen. This training supports the Department's Efficient Transportation Decision-Making, or ETDM manual. You can find the manual on the OEM website shown on the screen. Please feel free to contact us if you have additional questions. For questions specifically about the ETDM process, you can contact either Peter McGilvery or Ruth Rawaza. For assistance using the EST, please contact our OEM Help Desk. For project-related information, contact the ETDM coordinator or project contact listed in the project header. The OEM Project Development Coordinator or engineer assigned to the district can help with other process-related questions. Contact information is also provided on the EST under Help. Thank you.